Ever wanted to create magical colorful lettering with just a scratch? Well, today's video is going to blow your mind. एक plain black sheet और अंदर छुपा एक rainbow. Sounds fun, right? Stay with me till the end because I will share some amazing tips and tricks and lettering hacks to make your scratch paper art look stunning. So what is scratch paper lettering? Do you know? This is a special rainbow scratch paper where you simply scratch off the black surface to reveal vibrant colorful patterns underneath. It's super easy and fun. Perfect for beginners, kids or even pros looking for a new way to letter. You can easily get scratch art supplies from Amazon, Flipkart or Meesho, all under budget. Just scratch and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning scratch art with me. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share your creations in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.